Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
What is 文化? It means culture in English. 文化, culture, includes various aspects such as language, literature, art, music, festivals, and even etiquette. Throughout thousands of years of historical changes, the Chinese nation has persevered through countless hardships and difficulties. Its distinctive and profound culture has provided strong spiritual support, empowering it to overcome challenges and thrive. 文化是民族生存和发展的重要力量。Culture is a vital force for the survival and development of a nation. Why has culture played such an important role for the Chinese nation? An answer may lie in the concept of harmony, often regarded as the essence of Chinese culture. Throughout history, Chinese culture has embraced a tradition of cherishing harmony and peace. From the ancient concept of great harmony, 天下大同, advocated thousands of years ago, to the modern idea of a community with a shared future for mankind, 人类命运共同体. The principle of harmony has consistently occupied a central position in the evolution of Chinese culture. Chinese people uphold harmony as a core value and the ultimate guiding principle in various aspects of life, including interpersonal relationships, interactions with nature, and relationships between individuals, groups, and communities. The concept of harmony is not only the essence of Chinese culture, but also represents a higher principle that the world yearns for today. Many of the challenges faced by the contemporary world can find resolutions through the wisdom of Chinese culture. Culture, 文化，你学会了吗?
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.